Now, question number two is a very simple question based on percentages. You are given the total number of sedans and SUVs that were sold in the first quarter. Then in the next quarter, there is certain increase in both sedans and SUVs, and the total sales for that quarter is 1530. So we have to find out the number of sedans sold in the second quarter. So basic way of doing this, just make two simple equations in two variables and solve them to get the answer. So let's quickly do it. So I'll start by assuming the number of sedans as X and number of SUVs as Y in the first quarter. So that will give me an equation X plus Y is equal to 1380. Okay. Now second equation, you can make the equation for the total number of sedans as well as SUVs, or you can make the equation of the number of increase. So increase in the number of sedans and SUVs. So I'm going to make the equation for increase in the number. Now number of sedans increased by 12%. So 12% of X, that is 0.12X, plus the number of SUVs increased by 10%, so 0.1 Y, and that will be equal to the net increase in the cars. So 1530 is the total sales now, and originally it was 1380, so the difference is 150. Okay, from here I can make the equation as 12x plus 10y is equal to 15000. Okay, taking 2 common, I will have 6x plus 5y is equal to 7500. 7500. Okay, so now you have two equations. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and now you can solve them to get the values of X and Y. Now since I need to find out the number of sedans, that means the value of X is required, so I'll eliminate Y. Okay, so Y को eliminate करने के लिए I'll multiply the first equation by 5, so it will become 5x plus 5y is equal to 6900, and the second equation was 6x plus 5y is equal to 7500. Now doing the subtraction, I'll get the value of X as 600. Okay, now X is the number of sedans in the first quarter. I need the number of sedans in the second quarter. Now sedans in second quarter has increased by 12% over the first quarter. So the value of X will give me the number of sedans in the first quarter. I'll increase this value by 12%. So 12% of 600 is 72, and the number of sedans sold in the second quarter will be 672, and correct answer will be option D. One common mistake is some students will mark answer as 600, but 600 was the number of sedans in the first quarter. I need it in the second quarter. So carefully read the last line before you mark your final answer. Answer should be 672. That is option D.